Welcome to Lesson 11. Before we begin, a quick note about this course. These lessons are designed to be listened to in the background while you work inside DxO PhotoLab on your own computer. Think of them as guided audio lessons that you can follow along with at your own pace. If you prefer more visual screen-recorded tutorials, you'll find plenty of those on my channel as well. Also, DxO PhotoLab is free to use for 30 days, which gives you more than enough time to work through this course and see if it's a good fit for your workflow. If you decide it is, I'm offering 15% off DxO software, and you'll find that link in the description below. Now, make sure you have DxO PhotoLab open. In this lesson, we're going to look at smart lighting. Smart lighting is one of DxO PhotoLab's most useful tools because it can automatically help balance an image that contains both bright and dark areas. Think about a landscape with a bright sky and a darker foreground, or a street photograph where a person is standing in shadow while the background is brightly lit. These situations can often be difficult to edit manually. This is where smart lighting can help. Before we begin, let's find the tool. At the top left of DxO PhotoLab, click on Customize. Then look over to the right-hand side of the screen and open the Light palette. Inside the Light palette, you'll find Smart Lighting. Click to expand the section if it isn't already open. So what does smart lighting actually do? In simple terms, it analyses the photograph and attempts to balance the brighter and darker areas of the image. It can help highlight detail while also opening up shadow areas. The result is often a photograph that feels more balanced and easier to work with. One of the reasons many photographers like smart lighting is that it can provide a very good starting point before making any additional edits. You'll notice that smart lighting includes different strength settings. My advice for beginners is to start gently. Apply a small amount and then look carefully at the image. Ask yourself, does the photograph look more balanced? Can I see more detail in the shadows? Have I retained detail in the highlights? If the answer is yes, you're moving in the right direction. One mistake beginners often make is applying too much smart lighting. While it can reveal a lot of detail, pushing it too far can sometimes make photographs appear flat or unnatural. As with most editing tools, subtle adjustments usually produce the most professional results. I personally think of smart lighting as an intelligent starting point rather than a final solution. After applying smart lighting, you can still fine-tune the image using exposure, highlights, shadows, contrast, and other tools we've already covered in previous lessons. A simple workflow might look like this. First, apply smart lighting. Second, adjust exposure if needed. Third, refine highlights and shadows. Fourth, move on to color and contrast adjustments. This often creates a very clean and efficient editing process. For this lesson, try opening a photograph with a bright sky and darker foreground. Apply smart lighting and observe how the image changes. Then compare the before and after versions. Try different strengths and see which result looks most natural to your eye. The goal isn't to create the brightest image possible. The goal is to create a balanced image that still feels realistic. The main thing I want you to take away from this lesson is that smart lighting can save you a lot of time and help recover detail in difficult photographs with very little effort. In the next lesson, we'll explore Clearview Plus and learn how to add clarity and cut through haze in your images. Don't forget to subscribe to Simon DxO for more tutorials. And if there's something you'd like me to cover in a future lesson, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. I'll see you in Lesson 12.